This is my review of this battery charge indicator. This thing is awesome. So if you're like me, I've got batteries everywhere in every junk drawer in the house, laying everywhere, and you never know how charged or not charged they are. What I love about this is that you can see up close. This will measure pretty much any size or any style of battery that you can think of. Even watch batteries, they have places where you stick it right in there and it tells you the charge. You can measure AAA batteries, AA batteries, C, D, anything you want. There's a spot pretty much for everything. They're labeled in here so you can see which one goes to which. And the way this thing works, it takes 2 AAA batteries itself, and they recommend that you don't use rechargeable batteries for this. I don't know why, but luckily it comes with 2 batteries, so you're good to get started right away. And the way this works, so you can either power it on, or what I found is if you have this stem here. Now for some batteries you don't need the stem, like for the 9 volt, to check your 9 volts, you don't need to use this little stem. But for a battery like this, you do, and all you gotta do is put the positive end on that little nodule right there, hold that in place. Easier to do when you set this down and you're not trying to hold it up for the camera. Then you take this pin and you stick it on the back, and this will instantly turn on and it'll give you the charge. So that is 80%. Here, we'll try it with one more battery. This is a AA battery, and I will stick this on here and take the tab and just touch it to the back, and you just have to wait. 65%. So I love this thing. For my work, I rely on batteries to run a microphone, and if those batteries go dead during the show, I'm in big trouble. So this thing always lets me know that everything is ready to go. And when you're done using this, there's a spot where you just stick it right in there. So this thing is just always ready to go. I keep it as handy as possible because I have lost one of these before and it's a nightmare. So I absolutely love this thing and I highly recommend it.